Alright guys, this is the new Leviton DeCora Edge. Only sold at Home Depot. It's about $25 for a 10-pack. So $2.50 each. Alright, it's kind of a plasticky. And the thing about these is you push it, click it, and done. That means you put your wires in here and you click it. There it goes. These are the new click ones. Like super strong, very easy to install. I installed this thing yesterday, really fast. And then, okay.
You hurt me.
Oh, sorry. Okay, be careful. You want to stand back a little bit? So, it was very easy to install. And this is a very good brand, the Leviton. And then the DeCora. Right, it's a little, the plastic feels a little, oops, a little chippy, but you see it's all bendy like that. But there's some metal right here, but the plastic is a little cheap. But I like it so far. When you push in the wire, the electric wire, it'll click it in by itself, and you get there's a right here. This is where you measure your wire length to stick in here, and then it's very nice because the wire is not exposed like the old ones. So you have less likely, less chance of a short. Hey, less likely chance of short. And yeah, it's kind of lightweight, but I think it's a lot better. These are outlets. There you go. Some of the details you see right here. All right, so you push it in, and you could get up to four, and then the ground. 5 wires in here, but then you see how the wires are not. There's no exposed metals out here except for this ground, so you got less less chance of getting a shock or even a short when you're pushing it in. Like you look at that, disgusting. It's all burned out, so less likely a chance of like shorting. Yeah, check it out. These are brand new. And this is a new style. And you can only get it at Home Depot right now.
Daddy, I like it.
Alright, cool.